Today we will understand that what is floor division in Python. This is my spider ID and you can see here floor division is an operation in Python that divides two numbers and rounds the result down to the nearest integer. So let's see it using an example. So first of all I am declaring two variables, a is equal to 19 and b is equal to 2. Okay, now I will perform two operations here. First one is normal division, which is like this, a by b, and the second one is floor division, which is a double slash b. Okay, now if I hit run, you can see that we have two results. First one is 9.5 and second one is 9. What is happening here is the floor division is automatically eliminating the numbers after the decimal point, and it is returning the nearest integer. Okay, so let's visualize it in another way. Suppose suppose our result is 2.5. Okay, and this is our floor 2.2, and we have 2.1, 2.2. So if we use the floor division, the result gets 2.2, which is our floor. Even the result is if 2.9, it also gets 2.0. It does not get 3.2. Okay, because because it always gets to the floor. That's our 2.2. So that's how the floor division work. Thanks for watching.